Hi, this is Mark Edward Brown, the Mark of Motivation. And I've got a special message for you that has to do with, you guessed it, motivation. I get a lot of people asking me questions. Hey Mark, how do you stay motivated? How do you stay focused? How do you stay disciplined in order to accomplish the things that you accomplish in your life? So what I've created is a little acronym with the word motivation that you can use in your life in order to help yourself. All right, so motivation, Motivation, right? M is for my, O is for obstacles, T is for take, I is for innovation, A is for and, T is for training, the I is for in, O is for order to, and N is never give up. So my obstacles take innovation, vitality, and training in order to never give up. That's what I want to share with you. If you do that exact same thing, if you repeat that to yourself, you're going to be able to stay on track to achieve your goals. All right. What I've done is I've created a very neat meme with this acronym on it, and I'd be happy to provide that to you. So all you have to do is hit subscribe, like this, and comment, and I'll reply to you and share this meme with you. So that's all I have for now. This has been a quick motivational minute with the Mark of Motivation.